Now here's a Hampton Bay, whatever it is. I don't even know what it is. It's like not one of my recognizable fans, but here, let me turn on the light. There we go. Now I got more light to turn this off. Aha! And yeah, this fan's pretty cool. I wonder if it's on the switch. Sorry guys, I'm just distracted. Alright, yeah, it's on. Okay, so this fan looks pretty cool. It's like newer, so, and there's plenty of more fans to come. There's a lot of fans in this house. Not that much, but it's plenty, so let's turn on low. By the way, I've never powered these fans in the house, so this is my first time powering all the fans. All I know is that this is a Hampton Bay because this is a Hampton Bay because of the pull chains. So, yeah, it blows a pretty good amount of air. It's pretty nice. All right, let's turn on medium. Whoops. Dang it. All right, get this one. I'm not even looking at the chains and they're so close to each other, so. Ha. Anyways. This is very cool. Here's the remote for it. No freaking way. Oh wait, I have to turn on the light. Let's see if the remote works after. I'm gonna do a demonstration of the remote. Turn on high. After looking at the blades. This fan's pretty good. I'm shocked. Oh my gosh, just wobbling. Surprised that a new fan wobbles. Well, obviously probably because the blades aren't balanced. Here, turn this on. Don't mistake it this time. Yay, I did not mistake it this time. Alright, let's leave it on high so that we can turn it off. See if this works. Is this the, yeah, it says. Well, probably doesn't work. Alright, since this video's been short, let's try reverse. If there is any way. I don't know where the reverse switch is. Alright, we'll leave it on high for a little bit. Okay, that sounded pretty cool, like coin noise. That creaky noise is annoying me. Yeah, if you guys know the name of this, please put it on the comment section below. And as you know, I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys doing that, so I'll figure out something to do for celebration. Alrighty. Thanks guys for watching, and take care.